Hi guys, I'm so really excited to show you this one. I know I say this about every house, but this is something different. It's 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and I'll show you how near it is to the shops. Look at this. Around you can see our shop, to let, to sell, to buy. So let's go in and check it out. It has off-road parking as well. Oh, look at this guys, look at this. How beautiful is this? And it's got off-road parking, and from here it looks enough for 2 cars. That's stunning. Very well manicured gardens in this property. So I'm going to have the pleasure of bringing you in and showing you around. You have a little side gate there. I'm going to walk up here quickly. Lovely stepping stones, so you don't feel the crunch under your feet when you walk in. And it looks like you have some storage there. I'm not going to look in there at the moment, but I'm going to show you around this beautiful home. Oh, and it's stunning, I got to say. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to try and show you everything really, haven't I? So you've got a few little steps up here. You get about 4 steps, so easy access. We are going in through the kitchen today, and this is what they use as their front door. Okay, so you've got a nice front door there. Oh my goodness, look at this kitchen. You have these wonderful granite worktops, and I do love a kitchen like this. You've got this integrated oven. You've got your coffee machine for all those who love coffee. This wonderful halogen induction hob. And look at this guys. If I push this, you've got fridge and freezer integrated as well. And I bet this is a dishwasher. It is. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. And you know what I like about these cupboards in these kitchens? You always have a secret drawer. Look at that. Secret drawer. And they're slow shutting cupboards. They're all high gloss, very modern, and of course you got your hood extractor there as well. It does come out. I tried it earlier. So look at this, and this is off the dining area here. Now in here is the dining area come living room. So I'm going to pan around for you, give you a nice feel for the room. So I'm going over here. You have aircon and you have ceiling light and fan here. Okay. I'm going to pan around just so you have a nice feel for the room. Of course you got your wine rack there, which is a must when we're living in Spain. You have central heating here as well as aircon, okay? The doors for your closet here are those upgraded doors, nice sliding doors, okay? And this leads into the D section. Now we've come in the house back to front, but I'm just going through the bedroom areas first. There's so much to see in this house. And you won't believe it. It is a Neptune, but you would not believe it, okay? So, we're in here, and this is one of the bedrooms. Sorry if the light's flickering a bit, and that looks out into a beautiful pool over there. Okay, so you got your radiator under the window. You got aircon in the corner there, and you got your ceiling light and fan. Sorry it's flickering. It's the camera, it's the light against the camera. So, this is normally a master bedroom. This is just a bedroom. So you used to have an ensuite over there, but in this room you don't. Lovely flooring, as you can see. Let's bring it back up and give you another glimpse of this room. Isn't this beautiful? Now let's go into the next room. So it's a little bit different, this property, in the layout, you know. So I'm just going in here, and as I do, you've got this beautiful bedroom. in this beautiful bedroom, you have wall-to-wall mirrored wardrobes. Really beautiful. You've also got ceiling light and fan and your aircon. You've patio doors onto a lovely Juliet balcony which overlooks the garden and the pool area. Okay, so I'm going to come back in here and show you this lovely upgraded bathroom. So you have a clear screen shower screen, brain head shower, frosted glass window. You've got a heated towel rail there, and just there you've got a lovely vanity unit and WC. Tiles are lovely, very modern mirror, really done very nicely. Okay, so I'm leaving this room and I'm going into the next room just here. So let's walk in here. So just in here, I believe is another bathroom. Yes, it is. So this room is tiled from ceiling to floor, again with a nice shower unit and clear glass screen. You've got a radiator there, your WC, nice vanity unit and sink and a modern mirror. Okay, so I'm leaving this room and I'm going into the next room here. So just in here, as you can see, this is the front of the property, and you have your aircon, your ceiling light and fan. You have a small wardrobe there. You have 2 single beds, although we'll take a double, and you've got your radiator under the window there. Okay, just giving you an idea of the room. Just go over here. I'm trying to avoid mirrors if I can. All right, really beautiful. And the flooring throughout this property is really nice. Very high upgraded property this. So let me take you out and hope I haven't missed anything. So I'm just going to take you upstairs to the top box first of all. And I see you up those stairs, guys. So guys, I've just come upstairs to the top box. Again, beautiful flooring, high gloss cabinets and cupboards. And I'm just going to have a quick look in here. You have a large radiator there. I would imagine this is going to be an ensuite, and it is. You have a nice vanity unit. It's like a double sink there. You've got your WC, your shower unit. These are rain head shower with a clear screen sliding doors. Nice big rain head shower unit. And you're not too far from the shops, you're literally across the road. So nice modern mirror as well. So I've just put the mirror on just to show you. And this house, they spared no expense in this property, I've got to say. You got wardrobes on either side, really high gloss. Lovely. Look at this. It's like a 5-star, 6-star hotel, isn't it? Really beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this boudoir. Really beautiful. So here you have your ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon, switches and sockets on either side of the bed. And you have a lovely area there to sit out on the day. Okay. So once you have the cushions out here, absolutely stunning. I want to go further around. This house just keeps on giving, doesn't it? Oh, there's another room in there. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely stunning. And you got, I have to show you, you got these beautiful little pots, Spanish hand painted pots up there as well. So I think I can open this door up here. Yes. And this is just being used for storage. Your ceiling light and fan up there. The floor is nicely done. And it's a great place to keep your cushions, I suppose, and any storage that you may need. Give you a quick glimpse of what we're going to see soon. And look at those views over there. Oh my goodness. It is stunning, this property. Look at those views. Just over the road, basically. I know that house is a bit in the way, but oh my goodness. How beautiful. I'm in awe of this property already, and I haven't even gone down to the garden area. Come on, let's check it all out. So we're going back in here. Let's go back downstairs. You've got that lovely porthole window. Got these marble staircase all the way downstairs. So guys, I'm sure I haven't seen the half of it yet. So let's go out to the D and out to the garden and have a look around. So we're out in the D section now, and this is a lovely area just to sit. There's a lovely breeze. I could just imagine having a nice pink gin and reading a good book out here. You've got your ceiling light and fan. The windows are slightly tinted as well, and you've got these lovely blinds. Right. Just going to pan around for you just to show you. Okay. So let me take you outside. Oh my goodness, look at this. So you have got a few steps down and this beautiful decorated balustrade. So I'll see you at the bottom of the steps, guys. So just over there, guys, you remember that bedroom? And that's the little Juliet balcony. Isn't it stunning? Absolutely lovely. So I've just come back outside now, guys. And there's that lovely Juliet balcony. I'm going to pan around. Look at these gardens. I'm going to give you a glimpse of this. Isn't this lovely? It's absolutely huge. I have so much to show you. This house just keeps on giving. And this is my favourite bit. Personally, I love when you see a hedge like that. It's total privacy. And it's not all concrete. It's nice foliage, you know. Really beautiful. I'm glad you're with me, guys, to see this because oh, I love the shower over there as well. It's really beautiful, isn't it? This whole house just holds interest everywhere you go. Now, a little area there. I don't know what's in there, but it's lovely. Great big garden here. I'm going to go back here. There's a lovely little area to sit here and read a book. And I'm just going to sit here and look at this house. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. This is very low maintenance garden here, as you can see. So I'll go up and have a look around. Area for lounging. Lovely shower there as well. And I'm going to take you in here. So this is all fly screens here. So you can actually talk. But it's not, you know, it's that stuff. So a nice little nook here, if you like. So you can sit and watch the telly or whatever. And it lights up at night, I take it. So I'm just going to bring you around here. You have your outside kitchen. And you have a little place for your beers. Just there, your barbecue. How wonderful is that? And of course, Every house has to have a little dumping area, but even that dumping area is quite clean and tidy. This is wonderful, isn't it? So there's nothing I can actually say about this house that you haven't already thought of as you walked around. It is absolutely stunning, and I am going to go and buy a lottery ticket and cross my fingers. This is really stunning. Lovely property, totally upgraded in every way imaginable. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@letselltobuy.com, and I will put the reference number for this property in the title of the video. Okay, and don't forget to put your contact details in. So until the next time, I see you again. Have an amazing day. I can't stop. I'm total awe of this property, I have to say. If only, if only.